Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to hide your profile picture on Facebook from non-friends to protect your privacy. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. You'll be on the home page where you can see posts and stories from friends and pages. Now, tap on the menu icon in the top panel. Then go to your profile at the top. On your profile, tap on your profile picture. Then select See Profile Picture. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Edit Privacy. Here, you can choose who can see your Facebook profile picture. You have a few privacy options. Tap on Specific Friends if you want to show your profile picture to only selected people. Select the friends you want to share your profile picture with, then tap Done at the bottom. Alternatively, you can select Friends to show your profile picture only to your Facebook friends and hide it from non-friends and the public. After making your selection, tap Save. And that's it. Your profile picture is now hidden from non-friends. This is a great way to control your Facebook privacy settings and manage who can view your photos. If this tutorial helped you secure your Facebook account, don't forget to like and subscribe.